Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. So our last day on holiday today and we've come to Manor Wildlife Park. So let's take you in and show you what this day out is all about. And as always, I'll put a map on the screen for you now of where we are. The car park is just across that road by there. And this is the entrance. So that's a map of the park we're visiting. And here's the wallaby thing. Are you feeding the wallabies today, Evie?
Yes.
Yeah? So you just pay over by there, and the first thing you should do is wash your hands.
We'll wash all our hands after. Okay, you gotta get your camera out. Wait, shut that door first.
Mum.
Check it properly.
So 36 hours.
Look how cute it is.
It's like a wallaby nativity. You can see it's quite a big area and the wallabies are just roaming free for you to feed.
Do you want to try stroking his head? Yeah, that's it, you very slowly. You could probably try stroking him, Evie. People be stroking their heads, I've seen it.
My hands.
That one's eating down there.
It's just scared of my hand.
How cool is that?
What an experience. It's like a feeding petting zoo. So there's a camel and what looks like some horses in there.
You want to get a picture? Just hurry up, Evie. I won't work. One more. Just go, Evie, you've got.
Dad, you're scaring it. Dad, you're scaring it from my food.
And they got lots of these little shelters about for the animals. I don't know how many pandas are in here. Let's see if we can find one. So the panda is just about by there. I'll see if I can get a picture from my son now.
You can see his face now.
Hopefully I just put some photos in of the red panda for you. So this is where the toilets and the cafe is. And then over here we got a bouncy castle and some benches to sit under. Got that for a sculpture. Random peacocks walking around. I've just spotted a couple of pigs over by here walking around too.
Come on then.
Do you see the peacock there with his feathers out, warning the other birds?
Why? Why is he warning the other boat?
Well, obviously this is like...
So there is the gift shop where you can get all your stuffed animals and stuff. Right opposite this lovely little fountain. Now we get to go in to see the rabbits. But don't worry, they're not that big.
Will they give a photo and it wrote you in it? Are you sure? Take a minute, that. And then you can have a go.
New white rabbits, look.
Lots of fair-sized rabbit houses around.
Look, there's big ones over there, look.
Smile at Jay as well for a photo. No mind Evie, towards the front of him.
He's a big rabbit, isn't he?
Try not to sit on the grass so you don't feel set up cool again. Huge, isn't he? Your bed if you want, Evie. Yeah.
You like that one, do you?
I don't want
Should we go see him again?
Yeah, I've got pink ones, isn't he?
He's probably scared of adults.
Wow. So they knew. Oh, this is
I think it would be a great place for lots of children to touch the animals too. Maybe even those with sensory issues would like to move the animals. Another little children's park by there. And then, as I said on a previous video, meerkats are a must for any zoo. All in a little plant pot on top.
Sorry, he sneezed. Apologies. Oh, look, come back, Mum. Come back, Mum. Evie, can I stand on that? Come here. Ready? Lean up. Pick your feet up. And lean on. Take a photo.
You can walk with the goats as well, but you can't feed the goats. So these are the pigs we saw walking earlier. They're called loon pigs.
I've touched one of these before, Mummy.
And now we're going to go in this bit where you get to walk with the lemurs. I'll see if I can put another photo in by here.
Oh look, the other one's set up. I think they want
Have your eyes open. Right, I'm trying to see where we go from here. Okay.
Yeah, there's only one bang.
I see a little baby lying
It really is quite a unique place, touching and stroking the animals. Right by the side of the gift shop, we go this way and there's some domes. And it looks like there's another play area down over there. This might be full of children, so I may not be able to film in there, but if not, I will tell you what is inside. Just out the back of the domes is a hidden little shelter to sit under. So there's 3 domes. In the one side of the dome would have been a bouncy castle and inflatables, but that's currently out on the field that I've already showed you. In the middle one is a little small children's little play area, soft play, and in the other dome is the bigger children's indoor soft play area. And there's yet another children's park. This is the tiger enclosure. I hope I'll get a better view for you in a little bit. Right by the tiger enclosure is a little place to get some snacks. It's a shack with a view. Tigers on one side, zebras on the other, and just at the back, right by there, is ostriches. And to the other side is where the camels are that we saw earlier. It's not a moving bush, it's food.
Well, they
there, he's got those lovely orange and black stripes, so they act for many different things, and the main one is the camouflage. So I was saying with Zaza, have a look in the bamboo because she blends in really well. Honestly, I've watched her go into the bamboo, I've walked around and I have stared at that bamboo bush and went, I still can't see her and I know she's in there. But that comes in handy for how they hunt. So if you watched any of David Attenborough's programs, you might have watched Pride of Lions, Chase Zebras, give it a good old hunt. It's all very, very dramatic. Tigers aren't about that life, so they're solitary by nature, so it's only them that goes on the hunt. But also, why go and run around and chase after their food? Like sick, or an older, or a younger deer. Now, he's probably not going to go for the fully active stag because that's a lot of requirement. But if there's a sick one, or a young one, or an old one, he's probably going to go for that, and he can tell all that from sniffing the poo. So it's really, really cool. They'll also use it to communicate.
Here's the ostriches a bit closer.
them, Natalia.
Oh, would you like to?
That wasn't me, I promise. That was an animal. Sounds like we're on a safari.
Let me film and then we'll go. Just so I can film them.
Just see a rhino coming over the top of the hill there, though you probably can't, so I will insert a photo from my photographer by you. So guys, that was Manor Wildlife Park. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed it. Please let me know what you thought down below, and please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.